Hello dear all, welcome to our channel Smart Indian Model School. Smart Indian Model School present Smart Indian EduFun classes. EduFun online classes includes course studies of playgroup to class 12, emotional and communication skills, happiness classes and DIY activities.
Now we are moving to question number 5. Table shows the points in 4 games. This is the table which is showing points in 4 games. These are the players A, B, C, and these are the games: game 1, game 2, game 3 and game 4. A scored 14 marks in game 1, 16 marks in game 2, 10 marks in game 3 and 10 marks in game 4. And B and C also obtained these marks in game 1, 2, 3 and 4. C did not play in game 3. Okay. Now answer: find the AM or to determine A's average. You have to find out arithmetic mean to determine A's average. So we have to determine arithmetic mean of A's points. So the arithmetic mean will be sum of all observation divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, total number of observation. Sum of these points of A's is 50 divided by 4. When we divide 50 by 4, we get 12.5 as our answer. In part number 2, we need to find mean for C. To find mean for C, would you divide the total by 3 or 4? As you can see that C participated in game 1, game 2, game 4. But C did not play in game 3. So C only played in game 1, 2 and 4. So the quantity is 1, 2 and 3. So we will divide by 3. Our answer is 3. The third part is find the arithmetic mean of B. B played 0, 8, 6, 4. These are the points of 6. So the sum will be 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 and divided by 4. The arithmetic mean of B will be this. When we add all these points, we get 18 and divide by 4. When we divide 18 by 4, we get 4.5 as our answer. And the last question of this last part of this question is: who is the best performer? As you can see this table, A scored well points in all the games. So A is the best performer. Now the question number 6 is: marks in a science test are. These are the marks given in a science test. You have to find highest and lowest marks. What is the highest marks? You need to tell. What is the lowest mark? You need to tell in this question. After that, range. You have to find out range also. That is, you have to subtract lowest marks from highest mark. That will be your range. And then arithmetic mean of this data. Arithmetic mean is always equal to sum of all observation. That is, you need to sum all these numbers and divided by total number of observations. So our total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I have written also here the answer, so your answer matches these numbers. Now we are moving to question number 7. The enrollment in a school was these. These are the points of enrollment. Find the mean of these enrollments. This is also your homework. Your answer should be 2058. Next question is: the rainfall in millimeter in a city was recorded as. These are the days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And these are the rainfall. You have to find range. You have to find arithmetic mean. And also you have to tell on how many days was the rainfall less than mean rainfall. That is, you need to tell, you need to count the days where or when the rainfall was less than your answer, your mean answer.
यदि आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो आगे की वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन प्राप्त करने के लिए कृपया बेल बटन दबाएं और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल ऑफ एडुफन क्लासेस। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।